Drinking too much alcohol can be hazardous to your health. Learning English phrasal verbs is quite tough. That's a tricky question. Finding a good job in my country is very challenging. The course was effortless. Overall, it was a very pleasurable holiday. The whole trip was a stimulating experience. New cars can be very pricey. Staying at nice hotels is costly. In my spare time, I like hiking in the mountains. In my leisure time, I like reading. I'm going to talk about a well-known actor. The person I'm going to talk about is renowned for his sporting talent. I'm going to talk about a celebrated writer. Al Capone was a notorious criminal. Over the last 10 years, there's been rapid development in mobile technology. Horror films are my preferred type of film. My most liked color is red. I find the TV show very amusing. The character was absolutely hilarious. My uncle is a witty person. It was an enjoyable event. It was a very pleasurable evening. Commuting by bicycle is beneficial for the environment.